hey, welcome back, neighbor, to my organic backyard. Before I begin, let me just say that I am not sponsored by anybody or this project. This is my first time using it. I just wanted to share with you guys what I thought, and maybe you guys want to try it too. So what we have here is a product from Fertilome called Natural Guard. It is a organic weed killer, and it says that it is a selective weed killer, meaning that it will kill the weeds in your lawn but not harm the grass. I'm interested in seeing if this works, so let's give it a shot. So when it comes to using an organic weed killer that does not use a lot of pesticides, you probably heard of people using products that they make at home with vinegar and other substances. This product is actually quite different, and it uses iron to kill the weeds. I posted a video not too long ago on using an iron supplement to make your grass more green and help with the look of the lawn. But this product actually uses iron to kill the weeds in your lawn. I'll post that past video right here. So in this application, the iron is also bound to a chelating agent, chiefly HEDTA. I'll write in the description below what that stands for. You can practice pronouncing it. What this does again is it makes the iron more soluble, allowing the plant to take it up. And then basically the weeds end up absorbing this product more rapidly than the turf and eventually die. Let's see what happens, and I'll share the results in my next video. Thanks for watching.